All right, gang, taking y'all from this to hey Lani. Let's go ahead and jump into this quick kids hair tutorial on this easy and simple look for your wavy type 2 hair. All right. button and hit that like button if you like this tutorial and you would love to see more.